everyone, I'm Kerry from Best Quality Roofers Osoyoos, back again for another episode of Best Quality Roofers TV. Today I'm going to talk to you about critical signs of a failing roof. You can avoid costly repairs by keeping a close eye on your roof. Learn how to spot problems with these 7 danger signs before they severely impact your wallet. Number 1, a leak in the attic. You can take a look in the attic for signs of leaking after wind-driven rain or strong storm. Ice dams can cause water to enter your home if you don't have a proper shingle underlayment, or if the flashing, which is the steel or aluminum used over roof joints like chimneys and pipes, has deteriorated. Number 2, blistering or peeling, interior or exterior paint. The cause for paint that peels off is most likely the trapped moisture in the house due to high humidity or excess temperature from poor attic ventilation. The air in the attic must flow freely from the soffit to the ridge to reduce humidity. Make sure that there is a vent in areas such as the bathroom and kitchen. Also, dryers must vent outside. Number 3, stains on interior ceilings and walls, mold or mildew growth. The stains and mold growth inside your home may be caused by inadequate or faulty shingle underlayment, which is allowing water to get into the house. Inadequate ventilation, which causes excessive moisture, can also be the culprit, conditions which help mold and mildew to thrive. Number 4, exterior decay, sheeting, and/or siding. Any condition that results in excess moisture, such as poor attic ventilation, can contribute to decay. One way to fix the problem is to create a vapor barrier between the insulation and the house, which can decrease the amount of moisture that goes into a wall. Number 5, missing cracked or curled shingles. If your shingles are dry or practically break when touched, it means that it is time to invest in a new roof. Number 6, dark, dirty looking areas on your roof. It could mean that your roof has vegetation, mold, fungus, or algae growth, or that the protective granules of the shingles have been lost. It does not mean that you need to replace your roof, but these stains can reduce the appeal. You can clean the shingles, but that could shorten their life. Plus, it's dangerous to go on that roof. Be careful. Number 7, excessive energy costs. Insufficient attic ventilation can be a possible cause of higher cooling costs because it requires the cooling system to run excessively. Inadequate ventilation will trap hot air in the attic in warm weather, causing the air conditioning systems to work harder. This will leave your home's interior hotter and less comfortable. Moisture in your attic can become trapped and condense on the rafters in both hot and cold weather if it is not insulated correctly. This moisture can drip down to the insulation and reduce its effectiveness and increase energy costs. If you have concerns about any of these items, give us a call at Best Quality Roofers Osoyoos or visit our website to find out more. Thanks for watching this episode of Best Quality Roofers TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more episodes and more tips for your roof.